Management of Autism Spectrum Disorder Haiba Hiram da continuing medical education CUM-WORKSHOP PANGTHOKKHRE. Kamal Hall Department of Psychiatry Regional Institute of Medical Science the PANGTHOKPA workshop program adu Department of Psychiatry REMS na senduna PANGTHOKPANI. Hariba thoramadu Professor G. Sunil Kumar Sharma, Director REMS Professor N. Sanjeev Singh, Medical Superintendent REMS Hospital Professor S. Gojendra Singh, Head Department Psychiatry REMS Amadi Dr. N. G. Samita, Head Clinical Psychology REMS na saruk yaki. Workshop program aduda interactive session, case discussion, diagnostic tools, therapies amadi tongan ba hiram kayada khananai nakhi.
Took some time, but from the last, I think somewhere August, September, we have World Autism Day, and from that day we have been trying that you should open next month. So somehow we could fix, and we started, and we are here today with lots of improvement. Nothing much to say, but I can see the spectrum of, I can see the experts here. Just to take name like we have experts from pediatrics, we have Dr. Gina from Haiba. I'm talking about outside the institute. Mr. Prasad Mahato, that is from outside with the CRC, UFAR, then many can say. So I think the topics look quite interesting. Even though we don't have much time to listen, we just had a meeting with the ministry because of some other event. But I think we are on the right track. So I'm very happy we are in safe hands, and we are going to see lots of progress, especially in management of autism spectrum disorder in this state, and also that will largely benefit the neighboring states also. I do have a belief that, or it is just told me like someone from Dubai settled or having inquiry. It's not necessary that I will be very happy on seeing this many number of cases, but how much or treatment we are giving to them, and how the families that have been burdened, their burden will be lightened over a period of time. So that is how we look into, and we are here to provide all the requirements, be it the space, be it equipment, the manpower. Even though manpower is a little headache for us, but we will be doing recruitment for occupational therapies and whatever is required. Government setup doesn't problem much of easy sort of a thing, but we are working very hard on that. So I thank the entire team that Professor Gojendra for, and the clinical psychology department for having this. And I hope to see this frequently, because CME can be have 6 monthly, maybe yearly. We can have some experts from AMs or maybe demands, maybe invited. We'll be at the TADA for that. And see, we get a larger group of people from outside, maybe from Guwahati or maybe anywhere, Kolkata. And we have maybe at least 6 monthly sort of a CME where we can have this type of gathering, and we are requesting everyone, not any directive, but request to everyone present here is to do the little bit of information providing to the community. Like, we have this facility, you go to this, you will have this, and that cascading effect should be propagated from here, so that our purpose to serve the people who are suffering, the families suffering from this, should be covered in the next 2 to 3 months, I can say, maybe a quarter, maybe 2 quarters, but let's not wait for 1 year to have the information given to the entire state, because we are a very small state, 3.1 million, so should be easily doable in WhatsApps or maybe Facebooks or something. So please put on giving this information to the Twitter, maybe to the WhatsApps, to the Facebook, even though my institute do have this. I think individual spreading the information to the people of the state and neighboring state will do a good job on our